My name is Sherlyn Chew, and I've been teaching here at Laney College since 1973. I teach the Chinese Orchestra and the Chinese Opera and the Chinese Chorus. And I believe that a community college should serve the need of the community. And by having a Chinese orchestra, it is a very appropriate place to cultivate such an interest. We have people from all walks of life taking music lessons. Some are your senior citizens who come and love music, never had a chance to study it, to the really young ones. What we're doing is trying to have them know about their own culture, but at the same time respect cultures from all over the world. And this is the only place in the entire country that offers a certificate of Chinese music. Some of the skills that are taught that applies to not only to music, but study skills, to have the discipline to practice. You have students who come here to be music majors, and then you have some who are, should I say, music lovers. And so you try to make it possible for those who are music majors to go on to a 4-year university, and that there would be a seamless transition. Yet at the same time, there should be a time and space for those who are taking it as a hobby. Laney College is a place for everybody. We are the only one with a music department. Other places just have a music course. It's a very good idea to go to a community college first until you really decide this is what I want to study. And then it gives you some time to really try everything and think about it before you transition over. I work hard and I help students succeed, and I do believe I've made an impact. Just calculating how many students have passed through my hands in these 50 years, 13,000. So I'm rather proud of that.